Okay, this is the same yard afterwards. We cut all this tree line, all the overhanging branches, all the way down. Looks really nice, huh? Now look, now you can see the back alley. They got an alley. Wow, who knew? And now you can see who's dumping trash in the alley. I'm gonna stand here. Look that way. Look at the fence line. Look at that fence line. That's my boy digging, covering that hole. Got them posts out right here. There. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them when I come in. I'll get one each time I come. But look at that. Now you can see the fence. Did some cutting down up here. Cut all that fence line down. Now you can see the neighbors and all that. Cut all that corner. All this corner by this fence, that fence. The back gate. You can't even see nothing. There was a TV, 2 TVs, flat screens that they illegally dumped. Cleaned all this. That's the TVs they dumped. Trash. How about that? A recliner. Look at that fence line. Now they can see who's behind in their yard. Back of their yard. Oh, chili pitins. Chili piquins. Yeah. I didn't even know the neighbor had that shed there. Look at that. Big difference. Big difference. Damn, we're good. That over there is a 70 Chevelle Super Sport. Original. Old man's got it. Look at that. Nothing hitting the roof up here in the corner. It's not hitting no more. Clear all those branches out. Nothing hitting. All right. Looks super clean. Well, that's about it. Oh, we fixed her brand new patio furniture. 2 umbrellas. Now it looks nice now. Okay, that's about it.